Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ty. Here you can find all things beauty, makeup tutorials, natural hair. Right here, this is what we're doing. This is about hair. This is about hair day. So what I did today is I took my vent brush and I went on a brush through. Just got not long ago worked out. Decided to pour a little cold water on my hair to kind of shrink my hair back up because I really didn't like how I flat ironed it this go around. So I've been rocking a wig, so I like to put my hair in simple braids so I can get that done. And most importantly, I like to make sure my hair is hydrated for the most part, for the most part. Okay, not all the time, sometimes you're gonna slip. But I like to make sure my hair is hydrated. But anyway, it's wet right now. This is wet, okay? And I put a little oil in it. I put a little of that clove oil, girl. Had that scalp on fire. That scalp was on fire, fire. But I went on and put my onion oil in there and it has a little bit of that clove oil in there. Then I went into my Camilla Rose grease, grow grease. The grow grease is what they call it. So, girl, get. Anyway, bye. Hello. Anyway, girl, back to the real important stuff. Braiding my hair, and yeah, you're gonna see me braid both sides or whatever. I already kind of started on this side in the restroom, in the bathroom. Girl, I already started on one side, detangling. Now I gotta do the other side. Girl, let me tell you, when you go work out with your best friend, your best friend, a personal trainer, girl, it's sometimes just overwhelming, especially you get out there yourself and think you can do it. But girl, I had to pour the whole cold water on my hair, girl. My scalp was on fire, girl. Every time I put that clove oil on there, I like the way it smells, so I just putting it on my hair. It'll be all right if I mix all with it, but I won't do that. But it's all right. But yeah, you guys can see me, you know. So this is self-explanatory. I'm just putting my onion oil in there. A little bit mixed in there with cloves, girl. So all of it just won't come out as fast as I want it. The clove is getting caught up in the tube. But yeah. And I ain't crazy either, y'all. When I say hello, okay. Halisha was irritating me while I was talking to y'all about this. And yeah, so anyway, working on this other side, we're gonna braid it like so, and you guys will be able to see more now versus just when I turned the camera on. I was just brushing it in. So I'm using my favorite brush to detangle my hair, which is this red one right here. And I really like it. It's just real nice and it's heavy duty and it keeps, it doesn't hurt when I, detangle. So my daughter Tatiana, you're welcome back to the natural community. So this is a great video for you to kind of follow the steps and detangle your hair while we're growing out that relaxer. This is a great idea for you to follow through, but I will tell you to use a conditioner if you're doing if your hair is wet. Try to use a leave-in conditioner so that your hair could be soft before combing that brush through it. And use a vent brush or, I see you like some good brushes you can kind of detangle your hair with. So you can kind of braid it or so, just kind of take your time and learn how to braid. Girl, you got to keep them children on their toes, girl. while you working on your career. You know, you got to keep them kids in line. You got to show them the ropes, show them how to do their hair, teach them the simple things. So when they can't find a beautician, you know, they can do something themselves. At least it'll be still growing. Because everybody need their hair, baby. Everybody need their hair to grow. But yeah, you know. But anyway, girl, you know that wig gonna fit real nice on here. You ain't gonna see it today, but I'm gonna put this cap on today. This new way of recording is, I'm liking it. Kind of make life simple, fast, and I just be able to just give y'all videos whenever I feel like it. If y'all like me giving you videos whenever I feel like it, put them green hearts up there for me. Put some green hearts up there. Put some bag of money down there in that comment section. Give me some bag of money emoji. But anyway, girl, I'm laying them edges down, girl, using one of my favorite edge controls, girl. Go check it out at your local beauty supply store, but save me one, okay? Save me that castor oil or that aloe vera. I like both of them, but y'all can get it, but just make sure it's some in there left for me. At least if y'all take it, I'll let them know that I'm the one that led y'all to it so I can get paid for it. But anyway, girl, and I'm showing y'all everything I use at the end. Now I'm wrapping my hair up or whatever. I ain't really have to do all this because that edge control that good. You don't really have to wrap your hair. But I just did that to see if I can lay my hair down a little bit because I got a little breakage on the edges there from something I did. I think I snatched that wig off. I don't know. I don't know how that happened. But anyway, ooh, girl, look at that braids, baby. They look different, but hey, at the end of the day, hey, I don't care. They braided hair. Most people can't braid. But anyway,